Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing how I made these easy, soft, and delicious banana walnut muffins. So if you would like to see how I made these muffins, just keep on watching. You can find the recipe in the description box down below. Okay guys, I'm starting off with my sugar and eggs. I'm just adding this to my large mixing bowl. And I'm just going to beat my eggs and sugar until thick and pale in color. Okay, so now that my eggs and sugar are ready, I'm going to add my pure vanilla extract. And I'm just going to gradually add my coconut oil. And I'm just going to continuously mix this until well incorporated. Okay, I'm moving on to my bananas, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel them. And the reason why you want your bananas to be ripe, it gives you a sweeter taste to your banana muffin or your bread, and it's also easy to mash them. And later you'll see that I'm using a fork to mash my bananas. And guys, I wanted to share this easy recipe that you can make in the morning to have with your coffee or to have for a snack. Since we are all in quarantine and some of us have our children doing virtual learning, I feel like this is an easy recipe you can do in the morning. So here I'm using a fork to mash my bananas. I'm adding my mashed bananas to my sugar, egg, and oil mixture. And I'm just going to give this a quick mix with my spatula. And the next step here is to add the dry ingredients. So I have my all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to sift half of the dry ingredients into the bowl. And I'm just using my spatula to fold in the dry ingredients. And the reason why I'm using my spatula, I didn't want to overmix my batter, so I stopped using the hand mixer. So I'm adding my buttermilk, and you're slowly going to mix this in. So I'm sifting in the second half of my dry ingredients, and now I'm adding my walnuts. And again guys, you want just to fold this in with your spatula. So now our banana walnut batter is ready. Okay guys, I have my muffin pan and my muffin liners. And I'm using a cookie scoop, and I'm just going to place 3 scoops in each muffin liner. And you want to bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Every oven is different, so you want to make sure you check the muffins with a toothpick to make sure the muffins are done. So my muffins baked in my oven for about 20 minutes. I'm just putting the muffins on a cooling rack just to cool for about 10 minutes. Off camera, I sprinkled a little bit of walnuts on about 3 muffins. You could also try this recipe without walnuts. The banana muffins are very delicious. They're very soft. So here I'm taking my muffins out of the muffin pan and I'm letting them cool on a wire rack. So here you have it, guys, banana walnut muffins. And guys, these banana walnut muffins are so soft. The texture is amazing. Perfect with a cup of coffee in the morning or tea. This recipe can be used without walnuts. You can also add another type of nut. You can add pecans. You can even add chocolate chips if you'd like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And I'll see you next time.